Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Skype account. So if you want to log into your Skype account, first of all you have to download the Skype application. So open up your Play Store application, and after opening your Play Store application, search for Skype and just download your Skype application. And after installing your Skype application, just open that application. And after opening your application, you can see sign in or create. Just tap on that option. And now you have to enter your Skype email address. After entering your email address, tap on next. And now you have to enter your password. After entering your password, tap on next. After tapping on next, it will ask you if you would like to find your contacts friends easily. So if you want it, just tap on continue and then tap on allow. And now just tap on continue and again tap on continue. Yes, continue. And after tapping on continue, you can see you have successfully logged into your Skype account. This is how you log into your Skype account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.